Hi friends, welcome back. We're going to review Math Box page 213, lesson 8.9. We're just going to go over the answers together. So if you have any questions, now's a good time to follow along. How many more points did Team A score than Team C? Looks to me like Team A scored 7 points, Team C scored 4 points. And I just have a hard time knowing if I should add or subtract. And so I'm going to go back to my question, see if there's any key words there. How many more? I know that how many more means difference. That's going to be subtracting. 7 minus 4, that equals 3. Number 2, what shape is each face? I know this shape is a cube, but the question asked me what shape it is. It said, what shape is the face? And one side here is the face, so that's got to be a square. Number 3, it says solve. Oh, and there's a unit. My favorite unit, one of you guys came up with, is friends. So I'm going to use that as my unit. Solve 15 plus 11 plus 45 plus 10. I know that if I make combinations of 10, I can be quicker and faster. I see a 9 plus 1, there's a 10. I see a 5 plus 5, there's a 10. And then I can do 10 from the 15, 10. 10 is 20, 20, and 40 is 60. 60 plus another 10 is 70. Two groups of 10, that's 80, 90. So we have 90 there, friends. If that's hard, can I write it up and down? You bet. That might be just what we need to help us to be quick and fast too. So let's do that. I can do 5 and 5, 10, another 9 and 1, that's 10, so there's 20. That was fast too, wasn't it? 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We came up with the same answer two different ways. Number 4 says solve using partial sums addition. You can use partial sums, but you can also just add up and down if you prefer. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 100 is 1 in the hundreds place there, 154. Now it says ballpark estimate. We are going to estimate to the nearest 10. So I've got 112. That's closest to 110. Plus 42 to the nearest 10 is 40. 110 plus 40 is 150. Is 150 close to 154? Are they, what's that big word we like to use? Reasonable. Are they reasonably close? Yeah, good work. Now number 5 says the writing reasoning, explain how you solved problem 3. What did we do first there, friends? All right, I'm going to get my text box out and see if I can write a text. All right, first, what did we do? Didn't we add 9 plus 1? I'm looking for my plus sign. There we go. Equals 10. And then I made another combination. Didn't I do 5 plus 5? That's another group of 10. And then I went to the tens place and I added 10 plus 10 plus 40 plus 10 equals 70. So 10 plus 10 plus 70 is equal to, oh, I got to change those plus signs there, don't I, friends? Thanks for being patient with me. 10 plus 10 plus 70 is equal to 90. Well done, friends. Thanks for working with me today. I hope you have a great day. Bye.